If your online security looks like Swiss cheese, you need these tools to patch it up. Let's get started. First up, we've got antivirus software. It's like a shield that protects your computer from nasty viruses and malware. Think of it as a security guard for your system, stopping threats before they cause damage. Next, let's talk about password managers. Remembering dozens of passwords can be a nightmare, but a password manager stores them securely and even creates strong passwords for you. It's like having a personal assistant for your passwords. Now, on to firewalls. A firewall acts as a barrier between your computer and the internet, blocking unwanted traffic. Imagine it like a bouncer at a club, only letting in the good data and keeping out the bad. Don't forget about VPNs or virtual private networks. They hide your online activity and make it harder for hackers to steal your information. Think of it as a secret tunnel to browse the internet safely. Then there's two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just a password but also a code sent to your phone. It's like having two locks on your door. Finally, keep your software updated. Updates often fix security flaws, making it harder for hackers to exploit them. It's like giving your computer a regular health checkup. So, there you have it. Antivirus software, password managers, firewalls, VPNs, two-factor authentication, and regular updates. These tools are your first line of defense in the world of cybersecurity. Stay safe out there.